Christoph Auto Engineering. When you hear a clicking or knocking sound from your car while turning, it means your CV joint is bad. The CV joint receives power from the gearbox into the wheel to help the car drive. So when the CV joint is bad, you would experience tire wobbling and some vibrations in your steer. Causes of the CV joint being damaged could be the shaft boot or the axle boot leaking or bad ball joint. Follow us for more car tips and repairs. This is Christoph Auto Engineering. You can locate us in Hohoe, opposite the Cash Oil filling station, under the telephone mast. Call us on the number on the screen for more information and details.